Hi there. I made a video today to introduce our engineering internship so that you know what to expect as we go through. So, I'm going to start by going to our classwork page. So, this may or may not be your Google Classroom. However, they all look just about the same. You'll notice here we've come up with our engineering internship topic. In here, there will be all of the posts you need for your engineering internship. So far, these two older posts we've already done, and that was our famous mechanical engineering project, which is hopefully already done and submitted because it was due Friday at 11:59 p.m. So these hopefully are already done. You'll notice three new posts. So what I want to show you is the first two are our engineering internship lessons and our engineering internship interactive notebook. So every day you'll see a post and it'll tell you exactly what we're doing that day. So, for example, we have January 11th classwork here. It tells you join the Google Meet, and today the only task is to be introduced to the engineering internship. There is no formal assignment to submit for today. Every single day, just as we've been working on, there will be a post with the date, and that will tell you exactly what the tasks are for the day. So now I want to introduce you to the interactive notebook where you're going to put your materials and the lesson. So I'm going to start with the interactive notebook. So in here, this will be the only place that you enter work to be graded for your engineering internship project. When you open this, it may look long, but we are going to work through this little bits at a time. I will build catch-up days into the unit to ensure that you have plenty of time and support for your assignment. Do not click submit on this post as we will continue to come back here to work each day through the engineering internship. So what I want to show you is on my view, because I have the teacher view, I have a generic attached version. But on your view, yours is going to look a little different. So when you open your assignment, it is going to look more like this. So when you open your assignment, you would see the directions, and you would see up here in this top right corner where I have this gray arrow pointing your version. So I have blocked out this name here, but in that space would be your name. You would know it's your attached Google slide to do your work in because your name would appear right there. You would click there to open it. If you would need to communicate with me about your project, you should do so in the private comment box down here next to the smiley face. The class comments is only for things that would apply to the entire class. Remember that you are not going to click turn in until we are done with this whole unit. So now I'm going to go back and I am going to open this general version. You'll see in the general version that there's these green boxes, and we will talk about the how-tos right now. So this is going to give you directions on what's expected each day and what you're doing and where you're entering the answers. So you are going to always be looking for the green text boxes. So here we go. In day one, which we are not doing today, today is just an introduction. Day one will be later this week. So it tells you what you're going to think about. Think about our class discussion and read the article. If you look here, I have a link where this article is right here for you. Very easy. I tried to put things in one spot for you. Then you'll notice these green boxes. This is where you can type. You'll notice that at the top, it tells you day one. And when you look at the next slide, it says day two. So when you go to the lessons, they are broken down for you very simply. So I'm going to go back to our Google Classroom page, and now I'm going to look at the lessons. This is only attached for your reference in case you would like to review something. I'm going to go through this one day at a time, one slide at a time, and I'll be making video recap lessons. That way you know exactly what to do. So I'm going to open this, and you're going to see in here, it's broken down day by day. So the very first day you come to is day one. which once again, you do not need to do today. Today is only an introduction. You'll see here is all of the content for day one. We will go through this together. Then you'll notice in here, I prompt you as we go. I will prompt you to record your information for day one. I even put a preview of what the slide will look like in your interactive binder. And then you'll notice an end of lesson slide before we begin day two, which will be a different day. This will stay attached. That way you can reference this anytime you want. I'll also be posting recap lessons. I don't want you to get nervous. I know that this looks like a lot, but this is setting the stage for the entire rest of the month of January. I will be posting a schedule so that you see what to do. I just wanted to introduce you to the assignment and remind you that we will be doing some work in Amplify, but we'll get more into that tomorrow. So, with that said, you now know where we will be coming each day. You'll be looking every single day before we start class to load your interactive, which looks like this, your interactive assignment. Every single day, you're going to be loading your assignment from your Google Classroom page. Hopefully, you don't have any questions, but if you do, I'm always here to answer them for you. Have a wonderful day.